The 2006 300C. The Chrysler 300C is one of the last of the big, powerful rear-wheel drive American four-door sedans. A car for the open road and a long highway. It has great styling, impressive handling, and pavement-eating performance. It's smooth, luxurious, quiet, comfortable, and everything a top-ended American four-door sedan should be. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.